Hi everyone. Did you know that maps aren't just for navigation? They're also powerful tools for analyzing data, tracking threats, and making decisions. In this video, we will learn how to create a professional map using MAPOG, a geospatial platform. Let's jump in and create our first map. Click on Create New Map to get started and add story title. MAPOG offers different base maps like satellite, terrain, street maps, and many more. Choose one that fits your project. I'll go with the street view for now. Step 1. Now it's time to add data. MAPOG provides GIS data where we can select the country and search for police stations and click Add to Map. Next, search for ATMs and click Add to Map one by one. Step 2. Go to the Action button, select and rename the layer for all the other layers. Step 3. Click the Action button and click Basic Style, and from there click Heat Style. Choose the point layer, weight attribute, radius and color gradient to show areas with high and low connectivity frequency. Repeat the same for the ATM layer. Step 4. Go to Process Data and click Nearby Neighborhood. Select Main Layer, Attributes of the main layer, select Joining Layer and Attributes and set the radius to 3000 and the limit to 10 and submit. By this we can measure distance and identify patterns in the data. Step 5. Now for better visualization, go to the Action button and edit the layer by changing the color of the icon. Step 5. Once your map is ready, MAPOG allows you to share your map with others in public or private via a link. You can even embed it on a website or blog for wider access. Working with a team? No problem. MAPOG lets you invite collaborators to edit or view your map. This is perfect for group projects or when you need input from multiple stakeholders. And that's it. You've just created a professional map using MAPOG. Whether you're analyzing cybersecurity threats, planning logistics, or just exploring data, MAPOG is a game changer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Contact us at support@mapog.com for any queries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.